TCE offers two brand new narrow 4-post garage lifts, the T7000-4N and 4NT, that allow you to instantly turn one parking space into two without any modifications to your garage. An ideal choice for storing motorcycles, ATVs, watercraft, small boats, or other items off the floor. A perfect solution for all enthusiasts and designed for garages with minimal space available. The shorter T7000-4N is perfect for hot rods with 13 locking positions and has 69 inches of clearance under the runways. While the 4NT taller version is great for SUVs and provides 18 locking positions with 82.5 inches of clearance under the runways. The TCE 4-post light is a versatile tool for vehicles and storage needs. An automatic double locking air system allows you to level the lift on uneven floors up to 3 degrees. With our built-in secondary safety lock, we keep your car safe, and more importantly, we help keep you protected. On the approach, 34-inch low-profile detachable ramps are perfect for vehicles that sit low to the ground. The ramps can easily be removed from the lift for convenience. Our quality is built to last. Heavy-duty all-steel aircraft cables, a low-pressure 3-inch hydraulic cylinder, durable powder coat finish, 3/4-inch anchor bolts, and a high-power 220-volt power unit are included to support your lifting means.
Additionally, you can add a 4-wheel caster kit which allows you to relocate and reposition the TCE 4-post lift. It requires no tools to assemble and only takes minutes to be installed or removed.
With features and benefits like this, TCE lifts are the preferred brand of choice.